Hello everyone, my name is Omar and I'm a CA and a CFA level 3 qualified. So now we will talk about if you are leaving your existing home country and you're going to another place, so what sort of skills that the employers at the new place would expect from you to have. In that regard, I have an advice which says that it would be really essential and good on your profile to have some local experience before you leave your existing home country, from your home country, and you applied for an immigration and you got a PR or permanent residency in another English speaking country. So in that context, what you could do is that once you reach the your destination, you could always go for these voluntary jobs with any of the big four, with some of the accounting or the advisory firms. And to have that experience would really stand you you know help you in standing out from the rest of the candidates. The some of if you Some of these jobs, of course, these are voluntary, they won't be paying you any much, but it is really essential because if you are applying to any commercial organization or big four firms, they really look for candidates who have experience. So first, my advice is that if you get a chance, do get local experience within your home country. But if you don't have that, if you already overseas, probably engage yourself with an accounting or advisory firm or a tax firm in a voluntary role, and that would really help you in standing out from the rest of the candidates. And also want to advise the young aspiring accountants and audit personnel is that what one thing that they could do to stand out from the rest of the crowd is uh, to engage themselves with software courses such as MYOB, Zero, or MS Excel. There are plenty of courses that are available online. There are plenty of courses that would be available in the area that where you are living, or if you have moved to a new destination. I'm sure you could find a lot of them on the internet if you do just a simple search. So it would be really essential and really critical to go for these courses. They would benefit you a lot when you are in these firms, and it would also help you once to move your from to move from one position to with your progression within the firm. So if you are progressing from accountant to senior accountants to the manager level, of course these are these skills that you would really need. So it's not for something that is short term, you are actually investing in your future. So do make that investment. So as I suggested in my background earlier in the discussion, that I have had the opportunity to work with Deloitte, PwC, and Allianz, and what I've noticed is that because of having these big brands on your resume actually has really helped me a lot in securing jobs, no matter what is the no matter what's the geographical area that I'm living in. So I have worked in Middle East, Saudi Arabia, or in Pakistan, or in Canada, or in Australia. So once you present your resume and people could see that you have these big four audit firms on your resume, or big names on your resume, and then that really helps you in standing out from the rest of the crowd. So it's really essential, it's really good on your part to be part of these big four firms. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so now I want to talk about the organizer of these videos, Abdullah Mamoon. He has organized a course whereby you could engage yourself with the a very good knowledge of software such as MYOB, Zero, QuickBooks, and if you want to present yourself professionally to these commercial organizations or big four firms, I think he really has the capability to present you in a very professional manner by taking a look at your CV or your cover letter, and then of course suggesting the alterations that could help you with your career.